This model kit review is of the Yamaha YZF-R1. This is a racing bike. It's a beautiful bike. Lots of details on this model. And we've got some really good box art and some pictures there of the real bike and some of the features there. And don't really see any details on dimensions. Let's have a look inside. And let's see what we've got. So let's look at these screws first here. So it looks like we've got our glass here, and that is beautifully molded. There's our windshield, we've got some lights. Here we've got our wheels, front and back. We've got our exhaust parts, there's our chain. And looks like there's our damper. Springs going to go over that. We've got engine parts. Well, this is all just beautifully molded. Here are our brakes. There's the rear. We've got two in the front. These are not pre-drilled. I will probably drill those out. Here's our stand with the wheels. But just look at the quality of the molding. It's just beautiful. Over here we've got another chain. Sometimes they'll glue them together to make the one chain. Sometimes it's just a replacement. And comparing them, there are different drive sprockets. Maybe that's what that's about. Don't know. And then the other side of the exhaust there. And there's our fender. Over here we've got our tires, very nice tread, soft and flexible. Got our spring, got the screws and screwdriver as well as hoses. Then we've got looks like our radiator over here, more engine parts. There's our handlebars. Got some side mirrors. These are away from our headlights. But absolutely beautiful molding. Look at the details here on the handlebars. Here are the body panels, the cowling. There's our fender, side cowls here. There's the front with the headlights. We've got seats. There's our fuel tank, just beautifully molded. Now this one has some chrome, and I love the way Tamiya does their chrome. It's not that extreme shiny chrome, and the parts are always well molded, so it's usually, not always, but usually the attachments to the sprue are in a place where it's not going to be quite so obvious that there's a piece missing. Look at the frame here, it's just beautiful. Lights there. Looks like our rear arm there with the axle. Here's the fork. But that is just beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at our here's our decals. Interesting. We've got decals and we've got a sheet of reflective different color. I'm not sure what that's for. It's supposed to be carbon fiber. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions here. Here is the decal guide. And okay, this is a UV filter sticker, and that is for the front windshield. That's actually very nice. Very, very nice. Extra feature there. Okay, so here are some details about this bike. Let's have a look at our instructions. We've got the colors needed. We start with the stand and then build the engine, covering that tubing. And we put the carburetors on there. Start to build the tail light. We build the frame. Mount the engine. And then there's the rear damper with our swing arm being built there. Got our rear wheel going on, attaching the swing arm to the rear wheel and then onto the bike. And you've got the exhaust, and then radiator. Next we've got our front wheel and the front fork. There's our steering, handlebars, and that's all attached to the bike then. More tubing for the brake lines. There's the seat cowl and fuel tank. Headlights going together. There's the upper cowl, and that's all then mounted onto the bike, along with looks like brake lights, and then all the additional pieces, including the side cowls and footrests and blinkers and so on. So all in all, that is a very well molded bike. They've got the UV filter, that's a nice touch. They've also got the chrome. Another great model by Tamiya.